Hello and welcome to the Listening Post unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm not unboxing anything. Today I'm drilling into the core reason behind why I established this unboxing channel. And it was really about sharing the day-to-day things that I got to touch and sharing them with the wider world. Some of the things that really inspired me, some of the things I enjoyed. Some of them were new. Some of them were items that I really was fascinated about. And here today is one that I've been loving ever since it was released, more than a decade ago. It's had 4 iterations, so many software updates and improvements. It's the Bluesound Node. Now this is the new version, 4th iteration. They call it a N130 or 140, 130 I think is what it said. This is now available in 2 colour options. We've got a black one sealed in the box, just as a talking piece, because it's a really elegant product. It'll Spotify, Tidal, Deezer. It's got Bluetooth on board. It's got internet radio. The guys from Bluesound have made sure all the software now. I mean, there's so many streaming services that it will run. Internet radio services. Here in New Zealand it does iHeartRadio, which is brilliant. Even just some basics like Bluetooth. A mate comes around, they don't want to download an app and connect to your Wi-Fi. They want a credible way of connecting to this and just play something very briefly. Well, it's really easy to do so. This really compact product has excellent reviews and it deserves all of the accolades. The latest version has a cool little motion sensitive touchscreen. So it sits in a standby sort of state. You wave over it and it lights up. It's got 5 presets for some of the commonly used things, a slide volume control, and of course your sort of on-off, which is actually a play pause, and a skip button. It's really cool. It's not very deep, it's not very big, yet it packs a lot of punch as far as the quality of it. And that's why I'm sharing it, because it's just awesome. The first one was huge, it sounded okay, but the iterations and improvements that they've had mean that this is a real, it's a rock stomping product. It's really awesome. Now, looking at it from a feature perspective, it's got a basic power cord, but then a HDMI input for audio return out of a TV, a network cable. It's wireless, it's got the aerials internally. USB, it won't index in a massive hard drive, it's more for a thumb drive. Of course, if you've got a massive hard drive, you're going to plug it into a network somewhere or a NAS or something and use the network. It's got some control, it's got some optical and analog inputs. These are shared plugs, so there's adapters and stuff, they come in to allow you to sort of break that out and utilize them. It's got a digital output in both an optical and coaxial form, so that you can use this as a streamer into a much higher end configuration. Although please, the DAC on this is brilliant. You've got to have some good kit before this won't sound better than the thing that's on board your amp. It's got a subwoofer output, and that's cool. In both its setup and the app configuration, you can manipulate that subwoofer and make it sound really good. And then it's got your classic left and right outputs. In the box with the product there's a couple of RCA cables and a network cable to add some value. And again, it's really brilliant. So here I am, celebrating 25 years in this industry and sharing some of the cool products that I get to touch every day with this brand new Bluesound Node. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.